Hi students, today we are going to discuss about matter in our surroundings. Students, particularly we are discussing about what is matter and what are the special properties of matter, how they are classified: solid state, liquid states and gaseous states. See students, first of all, what is matter? You know very well, everything in our surrounding is known as matter. Everything in our surrounding, whatever it is. You know very well, some of the material in our surrounding, in the school, we can have school bag is a matter. We can a water bottle is a matter. We have the book, pencil, whatever it is in our surrounding. When you're going to house, we can see your chairs, table, TV, fridge, washing machine, and cooking material, and table, chair. Everything is matter. You know very well the atmospheric content, atmospheric element, nitrogen gas and oxygen gas, and also so many different sulfur gases. Everything is called matter. So simply, students, matter is nothing. Everything in our surroundings is called matter. Okay. See students, we know very well about we are using breathing. Air or breathe, it is used to breathe for plant and animals, you know, and also the water are used to drink. The food material are also used to eat. So everything is matter. Are you able to understand? So generally the word simply is known as everything in our surrounding is called matter. Okay students. The next one, what are the properties of matter? Generally, what are the important properties of matter? First of all, the matter is made up of a particle. You know very well about the particle, tiny particle, small particles is called what? Atoms. But all the matter is made up of the respective particles. You know very well, let us consider the air. Air is a what particles? Gas particles. So, any matter. Suppose you take a liquid, any liquid, water or coffee, tea, whatever it is. It is called, it made up of what? It's a water molecule particles, a liquid particles. Correct? Correct? So, the matter is made up of generally particles. The next property is the particle of matter are very small in size, very important. So, it's not a big, very, very small. The distance is also nanometer, millimeter like that. So, the particle size very, very small. Okay. And then the particle of matter have the space. You know very well the space between one molecule to other molecules and one atom to another atom or one substance to another substance, so whatever it is, they have the space, little space. So students, particle of matter having the space between the molecule, between the atoms, between the any other elements like that. And the particle of matter continuously moving in the surrounding. Particle of matters like this, you take a gaseous substances are moving in the atmosphere. The atmosphere giving the lot of gases, sulfur gas, nitrogen gas, oxygen gas is there, and also harmful gas is there, carbon dioxide, etc. So these all of the particles are moving continuously. Correct? The particle of matter attract to each other, very, very important. You know very well about the attract to each other. There is no moving individually, freely like that. So all the matter are attract to each other by using any other force, attractive force, what is this? Van der Waals force, strong force, weak force, so many forces there. So all the matters particle are attracted by using a force. So force is very important. Okay students. The next one students, the states of matter are further classified three types. One is solid state, liquid state and gaseous states. You know very well. You know familiar about the matters, classifications of matters. Matters are further classified three types, you know very well in the lower classes: solid state, liquid state, and gaseous states. See students, what are the important properties of solids? Liquid state. So the solid state substances having their different type of properties. First of all, they have definite shape due to the intermolecular forces. Very important. So how they are having the definite shape? Different type of solid material is there. You know very well, pencil would shape, pencil would pen would shape there, your bag would shape, book would shape, and like chair would shape. Different type of solid substances are having different type of shape. Why, sir? Due to the strong intermolecular forces of attraction. Due to the strong intermolecular forces of attraction. Correct? And also they have the definite boundaries also. Boundary means what? Is a area, the limited areas for the each and every substances. And they have fixed volume, you know very well volume. Volume means what? The measurement or the quantity. They have the fixed volume. And you know very well the flow or not flow substance. Easily flow the water molecules or liquid substances, but the solid substance cannot flow easily. Okay. And also it is not compressibility. We cannot easily compressible due to the distance between the neighboring molecules. Very small. The distance between the molecules of urate in the solids is very small. The space of the molecules is very small because we cannot easily compressible the solid substances. Then the shape are exposed to external force. We can change, little bit change. How, sir? It will be apply the exposed to external force only. And also we can break the dolls with the difficult to change their shape. Okay, and they have high density. So all the solid substance having the density is very high. So these are some important properties of solid state. Already I told you they have the very highly density particle. The density of the solid particle is very high when compared with the liquid state and the gaseous state. Okay, students. The next properties of liquid state. You know very well liquid state property in the previous classes. There is no definite shape, and it takes up because of the container. It will be change the shape of the container. There is no definite shape. You take the water in a glass, the water molecules is changed to the glass shape. Suppose you fill the water in the water bottle, the water are shape changed the water bottle shape. Suppose you take a water in a big container or a plastic can, the water are changed to the vessel's shape. So because the shape are different in the liquid stage, there is no definite shape. Correct? And also it has some volume, but they have this definite volume. We know volume: 1 liter, half liter, 5 liters, 20 liters. These are the volume. How, sir? It is due to the weaker intermolecular forces of attraction. Weaker intermolecular forces of attraction. So very important. Force is very important, students, in the liquid state. And next important properties, they can flow them. Easily it flow in the floor wherever it is migrate from one place to other place. It is flow from the higher level to lower level. It can be easily flow from one place to other places. And then it is compressible due to the large distance between the molecules. You know very well. We can easily compress the water molecule substances, but we cannot easily compress the solid substances, because of the solid substance and molecule are tightly packed, are tightly bonded when compared with the liquid substances. Okay, students. The last one important properties of the gases. The gases don't have a definite shape and size. So they don't have a definite shape. Why, sir? We can easily feel the gaseous molecule in the atmosphere. They don't have a definite shape. Okay, and also that can be take a shape of the container. We know very well the cylinder. Daily we are using in our house cylinder. The cylinder are filled by what gas? What gas? Liquid petroleum gases. That is called what? LPG gas. LPG means liquefied petroleum gases. So liquefied petroleum gas are filled in the container. That is called a cylinder. The gas are changed to the container shape. Correct? Then they have a definite volume due to the weaker intermolecular forces. Very, very important. Definite volume is there. The weaker intermolecular forces. And also it's not rigid. It's not a rigid in the rigid. And they are easily compressible due to the excess space between the particle of gas. Very important, students. Here space is very high when compared with the solid and liquid. The gaseous particles, the space between the one particle to other particle is very high when compared with the solid and liquid, because it is easily compressible, which applying the external pressure. Okay, you can easily compressible when applying the external pressure. And also they can easily undergo diffuse due to the fact that molecule in gas move to very fast. The gas molecule is moving very fast due to the speed of diffusion. The speed of diffusion very high where in gaseous molecules. The gaseous molecule diffusion very high when compared with the solid and liquid, because it is move very fast when compared with the solid and liquid particles. And also they can flow in the all possible directions, students. We can know. So it will be flow, whether it is left, right, up and down. Okay, whatever it is, it can all the direction. Any angle it can move freely because of the gaseous particle are very loosely bonded. That's all about the states of the matter in this lesson. Thank you, students.